Amazfit Bip 5 smartwatch with ultra-large screen, Bluetooth calling, Alexa built-in, GPS tracking, 10-day long battery life, health fitness tracker with heart rate, blood oxygen monitoring, black ultra-large display at 1.91. The display of the Amazfit Bip 5 is enhanced in size, vibrancy, and resolution. Curved to look natural on your wrist, the screen is made from tempered glass that's covered with an anti-fingerprint coating. Enjoy a bigger screen and a smarter style. Bluetooth calling via Bluetooth connection to your phone, and using the watch's built-in speaker and microphone, you can answer an incoming call on your Amazfit Bip 5 or even make a Bluetooth call yourself using the dial pad function. 70+ downloadable apps and games. Thanks to the rich app ecosystem provided by the Zepp OS 2.0, you can choose from a huge range of more than 70 apps and games which you can download to the smartwatch and easily install or uninstall from the Zepp app. Smarter about sports. With over 120 sports modes and support for 4 satellite positioning systems, the Amazfit Bip 5 is ready to be your workout buddy. This fitness tracker makes it easy to exercise. It can auto-detect 7 sports, track your GPS movement, and connect to fitness apps like Strava, Adidas Running, Komoot, and more. 24-hour health monitoring, along with accurately tracking heart rate. The Amazfit Bip 5 can monitor your blood oxygen and stress levels all day and provide alerts for abnormal readings. This smartwatch can also track your sleep quality and stages, along with menstrual cycles. Amazon Alexa, built-in. Set alarms and timers. Check the weather. Get translations. Control your smart home devices. Create shopping lists, and more, all from your wrist. With the Amazon Alexa voice assistant built in, the Amazfit Bip 5 is your very own personal assistant. Long battery life, able to last 10 days with typical usage, or even 26 days in battery saver mode. The Amazfit Bip 5 smartwatch stays with you every step of the way.